Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have another song from Olivia Rodrigo, You and Me Equals Heart, Love, Everything That's Great in Life. That is the title of the song. Before we move on with this tutorial, I need to mention my new YouTube channel is called Growing Guitar 6 strings ago. Link up here. I need your support, guys, to grow that channel, so you can thank me for this tutorial. You do that, visit my new channel and subscribe there and be a member. Now, let's focus on this cool song here, You and Me. We have no need for any capo here. We have 4 chords only, simple, done. So let's go through the chords. We have G first, and that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. E minor next. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. C major 7. A little softer touch than just the C. It goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally we have the D. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so you can do this in two different ways when it comes to strumming. If you grab the first chord G, that's the first chord. I'm going to demonstrate one version first. Obviously, down, up, down, up. It's a little bit easier because this is pretty fast in tempo, so you're going to work a lot with downs and ups. But if you choose to go that route, it's really a little simpler. But if you want to go like this punkish version, like she does here in the song, I would rather go for 4 downs instead. So it goes like that, 4 downs. So that will be to play. Try to emphasize the 3rd down, okay? So I play the 3rd down a little bit on the higher strings down here, and all the other downs I play in the mid bass area. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that is what you can play to handle the chords. Now let's go into the song. We have the first verse. It's played G, 2 string rounds, then E minor, 2, and the C major 4. That is 1 round. You're gonna play for 4 rounds. You can go either down, up, down, up. It will be like this. Or just the 4 downs. 4 rounds of that, and that is the first verse. Over to the pre-chorus now, starts about 44 seconds in. And all of my girlfriend, that is where on the lyrics. You're gonna play now D, 4 string rounds, and C major, 4 string rounds. You're gonna do that 2 times. So back and forth, D4, C major 4, 2 times. So like this. Alright, that is the pre-chorus, and now over to the chorus, 57 seconds in. Okay, so let's go into it, and you're gonna play now the verse play. That means G2, E minor 2, C major 4. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds to start with. Then you're gonna play the pre-chorus play. That means D4, C major 4 for 2 times. And then you're going to finish off with 1 round of the verse play again. So G2, E minor 2, and C major 4. I'm going to play all that for you to understand the whole concept of the chorus. Let's do it. Again, G, C major, D4, C4, again. And verse. That is the chorus, all right? So from now on, it's pretty much repetition. We have the second verse played exactly the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus. The only difference here in the second chorus is that the final G2, E minor 2, and C major 4 is played 2 times now instead of 1, okay? That is the only difference. Then we have a bridge part, and guess what? You're gonna play that verse play again for 2 more rounds. G2, E minor 2, C major 4, before. And then you're gonna finalize this song with this third pre-chorus played exactly the same as the previous ones, and the final third chorus played exactly the same way as the second one, with 2 times of that G2, E minor 2, and C major 4 in the end. And that, my friends, that is You and Me equals Heart, and how to handle that song from Rodrigo. If you're a fan of her, make sure to subscribe to this channel, but don't forget to go into my secondary YouTube channel, Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago. I would love that. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate your love. See you soon. Play tuned.